And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create an abstract op art text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Basically a 3-part process. The first step is to create 2 layers. One is white and the other one is going to be red. So press Ctrl J to copy it, and I use the paint bucket tool and a red color for the one below to make it red. So the white one, if I move it, you can see it has the same size as the red one. I'll press Ctrl Z. I want to change that and make it bigger. So I press Ctrl T. I go to the top menu and make it 150%. The link sign is activated, so height and width are adjusted at the same time. I'll press enter, that's what we need. You can see that I've now got a little bit of space beyond the border of the red layer. Make sure you're on your white layer, convert it to Smart Object, and I've got it black and white colors for fore and background. Now go to the filter gallery, sketch, and use a halftone pattern. For size, maybe I'll go to 8. It's important to have the pattern type circle selected. And if you crank up the contrast, it's the sharpest it can be. Press OK, that is what we need. Now go to Filter and Liquify. The size is important, so you want to have a bigger size. Something around 1000 should be okay for this canvas size. You have to play around with it yourself. Just left click and drag, and you can see how this is affected. At the bottom, I'm going to leave a little bit of space so that we have this transparent part. And as we've made this layer big enough, I'm going to press Ctrl T, you can see it once again. It's beyond the borders. We don't see the transparent part here anymore. I'm going to change the blending mode to multiply. And now I'll open a new layer. I use Futura as a font and I type in some random text. Let me make that white so that you can see what I'm doing here. And then I press Ctrl T and I resize it. Something like that. I want to change the color again to the red color that we've used in the background. You can use your color picker. In this case, I've just used the extreme at the top right for the red color. And then change the blending mode to difference. And this is it. Let me make the red one invisible and you can see the text. It creates a little bit of a hypnotic abstract op art effect. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.